Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Gina Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So today I have a very easy yet cute hairstyle that anyone can just do at the comfort of their home, and I'm hoping that you're going to give this hairstyle a try, and if you will, please let me know in the comment section down below. So I started off by just parting my hair right from the middle going all the way to the very back. Okay, so right about now I'm just combing the hair just to make sure that it is smooth and easy to work with. Okay, so after combing the hair, I'll just take my hair tie and I'm going to use it to secure my hair. So again, this is one of the easiest hairstyle that you can do it at the comfort of your home. So let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to give it a try. Okay, so after I'm done, I'll just combing the hair, I'll again go ahead and secure my hair just like so, and then after that I will take my gel, my go-to, my one of the hair gels that I love so much, this soft and free gel, and I'm going to use it to slick down the hair just like you can see, guys. So I just want to make sure that my hair looks neat and all that, guys. So after applying the gel, I will take my bristle brush and I'm going to use it to smoothen the hair just to make it look neat, guys. Okay, so guys, the next step will be to wrap my hair, and I'm going to be using my scarf to wrap my hair just to make sure that everything sits well and no strands is showing up. Okay, so I'm going to have it for about 30 minutes, and this is me some few minutes later, and just to as you all can see, my hair is like nice and slicked down. Okay, so the extension that I'm using is Fluffy Kinky. So I've used this before to make my twist, so I'm literally just reusing the hair, of which you don't have to throw your hair once you have taken them out. So this is Fluffy Kinky. As you all are seeing, guys, I am crocheting the hair through my natural hair, and then the next step will just to twist the hair, and I'm going to twist all the way to the very back. So continue watching the video, and again, if you're here and you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, leave your comments in the comment section down below. And that was it, guys, for today's video, really. So thank you all so much for keeping me company. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the